I was gifted this keyboard. I'm going to hold it up like this so you can see it very well. It's interesting because I haven't had a keyboard in a while, and I see that on this one, the letters are actually on the sides as opposed to being on the top, and that's kind of what I'm used to. But I type, we've been typing for so long, I don't need to look at the letters, but I found that very interesting. So you have a ton of colors that you can switch between. If you also like to use this for gaming, you have this, which will help you as well. In terms of the weight, it is a bit heavy, but it means there's a lot of good stuff. To hold it, it has these little two things. In terms of charging it, it comes with a charger, and it also has several modes. So what you can do is either connect this to your computer. The way I have it right now is actually through Bluetooth, because I have a computer that I need an external thing to put a USB in, and I already have that one in use for a mouse. So I connected it via Bluetooth. If you're doing it directly on your computer, it does come with this little USB. I will say these instructions are fantastic. There's a lot of technology equipment that is not great or easy to follow. Here you can see the stunning gradient of pink. So if you like pink or someone in your life likes pink, like this is a great present, especially because so many people now work from home, and it definitely adds a little zhuzh to any office space or a bedroom or wherever it may be. So if you're looking for a really fun, sturdy, and smart keyboard, I recommend giving this one a try.